Behind every drop, there's data. Are you tapping into it? At CIMCON, we make your water infrastructure talk so you can make smarter decisions faster. How? Let's see. What's your plant system has to say? TwinBot, can you summarize the condition of the entire pump house today?
Based on today's data, total water supplied so far 373 cubic meters. Energy consumed 121 kilowatt hours. Both pumps are healthy. Minor current imbalance in our phase of pump 1, scheduled for preventive maintenance.
Can you predict water demand for the next week?
Yes. Based on live field data, weather forecasts, and historical patterns, we estimate next week's water demand to be 605 cubic meters.
How can we fulfill that? Suggest pump schedules and tail end pressure for SCADA.
Here's the optimized pump on-off schedule and ideal tail end pressure. 1. For pump 1, set schedule 7 to 11 am. 2. Pump 2, set schedule 17 to 21 pm. Remaining time you can schedule bypass operation. It ensures energy efficiency while meeting your distribution goal.
Add 0.5 extra hours to the pump schedule and send to SCADA. Here is the password.
Password authorized, recommendations synced with SCADA.
This isn't a prototype or demo. This is live and operational, powering 24/7 water supply in one of India's leading metro water utility projects. So, what exactly is a digital twin? And how we are implementing for any industry? It's living replica of your plant process. Let's explore how it's built. Here's the 5-phase roadmap. Visual twin. We start with the visual twin, a detailed digital replica of your plant's physical infrastructure. Pipelines, tanks, pumps, valves, everything mapped and visualized for clarity and planning, so you can actually know what's happening in your plant. This brings massive value through visibility. Connected twin, live integrated data. Next is connected twin. We connect real-time data from existing SCADA, PLCs, and IoT system securely. It brings monitoring, validation, and instant fault detection to your fingertips. Predictive twin. Look ahead, stay ahead. We then train AI/ML models to predict water demand, energy usage, and any breakdown leakages before they happen. This is your predictive twin, helping planners and engineers think ahead of time. Prescriptive twin. Optimize for efficiency. Once we predict, we prescribe. This prescriptive twin gives you optimized pump schedules, pressure settings, and energy-saving strategies. Gen AI chatbot, all ready to simulate or implement. System can provide ADR points for specific abnormality risk alerts. Autonomous twin. Let the system self-heal. Finally, the autonomous twin. AI now closes the loop, enabling automatic decisions and build simulation platform to virtually test your plant operation without any changes in physical system. Your system becomes proactive, not just reactive. This is how our iEdge 360 platform is more than dashboard, helps utilities ensure 24/7 water supply, optimize energy use, and do intelligent planning before the day begins. It's flexible, works with your existing systems, and scales multiple digital twins into enterprise metaverse. So the real question is, want to visualize your operations in real time? Want forecasts, optimized pump schedules, and actionable alerts, all in one place? Want to hear what your plant has to say? Then connect with the CIMCON team.